Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable single tap activation for focused items in TalkBack, how to turn it off, how to turn it on in Realme 14 Pro phone. So where to find it? First, settings. Next we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next we need to tap the vision tab at the top, then TalkBack. Then in the top right corner we have this cog menu which we need to open, and we need to scroll down to advanced settings. And here we have our options in the controls section, single tap to activate. So tap once on the focused item to activate it, not a double tap but a single tap. So it's a simple on or off switch. The option is enabled now and the option is disabled. Pretty easy. That's all. Goodbye.